Hey everyone, today this is a requested look that someone wanted me to do. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do a smoky eye. Now, the colors I use in this video today, you don't have to use these colors. You can vary in the colors. So if my colors are too dark, you can do a lighter color like a brown or something, because I'm not doing brown today. But this gives you an idea how to make a smoky eye. Also, another thing I wanted to say is something I've learned about buying makeup at like Walmart, Walgreens, over the counter in a department store versus going to like Ulta or MAC or Morphe. The pigments are different. And so a lot of people are like, I don't want to spend that much money on makeup. But if you spend that much money on makeup, your makeup will look better. Same with brushes. Brushes are always key. Getting better, more expensive brushes, they'll last longer for a long time if you clean them. So just spend the extra money. It's worth it, because in the end your makeup will last longer, and your brushes and everything else, and you'll look fabulous. So here we go, we're gonna start. So since this is just an everyday look, love my hair today. Since today is an everyday look, I'm using my Prep and Prime. I'm not doing stage makeup. I'm just teaching you how to do a smoky eye. So put your base all over your face. Wash your hands before you do this. If you're going to use your hands and not a sponge. I don't like using sponges because it eats up a lot of your base. So, off camera, I contoured my face, and if you want to see how to contour, you can go to my video. I'll put in the link below and maybe right here. Go look how to contour if you need a contour. But I use this palette, this whole palette to contour. So in that video I use something different, but you can use everything in this palette. And I'll put this palette in it's from MAC. I'll put it in the description, also with the link to it. So all the eye makeup I'm using is from Jeffree Star. I just got this in this weekend. Jeffree Star's Bloodlust palette. You can see there's a lot of crazy colors, some awesome colors. So we're gonna use some of them. So I'm gonna use your Majesty, which is his like white color in the palette, the lightest color. And I'm gonna put it on my whole eye. Put it on my whole eye. This is why I spend a little bit more on makeup. The pigment is higher. You buy the store-bought makeup, a lot of times you have to apply, and you're like, oh, I still ain't getting that beautiful color Kennidi showed me. So sometimes it's okay to spend a little bit of extra money. So if you were not using white, you can use a cream, but you need a lighter color than what you're going to use as your smoke. Okay, so just remember that. We're using 3 colors on the lid. Some people don't like to put the light color all over that. I do, because it's like a prep to me. It's like a prep. It's like priming your wall for paint. You're priming your lid. So you need to put a color down first. So you don't want it to be the lightest, you don't want it to be the darkest, you want it to be in between. So today I'm going to use this Betrayal from the palette. That pink wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So we're gonna use why I like using flat brushes. So you can pack in that color. So see what I'm doing with the color. I'm just going in. I'm leaving my crease still white. Just going in. Packing color. So I got the pink on. Now I'm gonna go in with my darker color. So I'm gonna use a pencil like this. I mean, not pencil, a brush like this. Okay. I like brushes like this, especially when you're trying to do a dark color or do your crease. So I'm not doing a black. A lot of times I'll do a black, but we're not doing stage. I'm doing kind of night day wear. So I'm going to put it here and put it in inside your lid. You just want it on your actual lid, because you remember we put the pink above the lid, all the way above the lid. Big. Some people like to put on their eyes before they put on their base everywhere, because the powder will fall on their cheeks. See how that is? So we're gonna do the other eye. If you got darker skin, because someone asked me, some of my makeup isn't for people of color, you can always adjust the colors you use for your skin tone, okay? You don't have to do crazy colors if you don't want to. You don't have to do crazy colors, period. You can do a brown and a green. Okay, see how that is? Got your smoky starting. So now I'm going to put on my eyeliner. So I'm using this liner. It's my favorite liner. I tell everybody to get this liner. So you want to go. Why? Because look how easy it is to do. Like, let's say this is your day look, and you want your night look. To spice it up a little bit more, get your dark color with your flat brush. And just go in there. So off camera, I did my eyebrows. I used this from MAC. I'll put it in my description. It's a brow brush called Spiked. Then I also went in with my white on my contour palette, and just after I'd moved the excess stuff, just fixed everything up, okay? You can wear lashes. I have long lashes, so for a day where I don't really wear lashes, unless I'm doing a show, you'll rarely ever catch me wearing lashes. Let that set for a minute. Some places I wanted to touch up, so I'm just going in and touching up with the dark. Bloodlust. This is the lip palette. Clout today for my lip. Since I have a bold lip, I'm gonna go with the lighter. Since I have a full lip, I really don't have to put a liner on it, but you could put a liner on it too. So, like it? Oh, one last thing. I'm gonna do a little touch. This is one of my new favorite things. It says Jeffree Star's Skin Frost. I'm obsessed with it. But you can see if you watch any of the RuPaul girls or any girls, they like using this. Gives it a little. Gives your skin a little frost. A little bit on my nose. Yes. There you go. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe to my videos. Look in the description for links to find me on social media, and also links, and then also what makeup I used, the exact colors, if you want to use the same thing and try it yourself. If you have suggestions on things you want to do, just like this video, it was done as a suggestion from someone wanting to learn how to do a smoky eye. Leave me a DM, message me, any of those things. I love helping. Enjoy. Have a great day. I'm gonna get my white because I want to put a little color. You don't have to do this, but it just helps make your eyes pop. Okay?